In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all Gmail emails. By the end, you'll know how to clean out your entire mailbox in just a few clicks. A quick heads up before we start. This process moves everything to the trash. Gmail permanently deletes items in trash after about 30 days, so you'll still have a short window to recover something if you change your mind. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, log into the account you want to clean up, give the page a second to load your inbox. Next, look to the left-hand menu. If you don't see many options, click More to expand the list, then click All Mail. This view is important because it includes everything in your account, your inbox and any archive messages, so you won't miss emails that aren't currently in the inbox. Labels don't change this. All Mail shows the entire library of messages in your account. At the top left of your message list, just above your emails, click the empty square checkbox. This selects all the messages that are currently visible on the page. By default, Gmail shows a page at a time, often 50 messages. After you click the checkbox, look for a blue banner that appears across the top of the list. It will say something like, all 50 conversations on this page are selected. That message confirms you've selected the current page, but not yet your entire mailbox. To grab everything, click the second sentence in that banner. It reads, select all number conversations in all mail. The number will match how many messages are in your account. Clicking this tells Gmail to select every single email in all mail, not just the first page. Take a moment here to be sure you really want to remove everything. Now click the trash can icon at the top to delete. This moves all selected messages to the trash. Depending on how many emails you have, this can take a little time and you might see Gmail process the request in the background. If you have thousands of emails, a confirm bulk action window may appear. Click OK to proceed. Keep your browser tab open while Gmail works. Large deletions can take several minutes, and that's normal. Once it's done, your all mail view will be empty, and those messages will be sitting in trash for a limited time. If you notice something you need to keep, you can open trash and restore individual items. Otherwise, Gmail will clear them automatically later. That's it. Your Gmail is now cleared out. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your inbox.